Welcome to a tutorial on how to change your country on Facebook using your PC. Follow these simple steps to update your location seamlessly. Begin by navigating to facebook.com in your web browser. Once on the Facebook homepage, locate and click on your name in the upper right corner of the page, next to the small version of your profile photo. This action will direct you to your profile page. On your profile page, find and click on Edit Profile in the upper right area below your cover image. Then, scroll down and click on Edit Your About Info, located at the bottom of the window. In the About section on the left side of the page, click on Places Lived. Look for the 3 horizontal dots next to Lives In on the right side of the page and select Edit Current City from the drop-down menu. To change your current city, simply click in the box, delete or backspace over the existing city name, and enter the new location you wish to display on your profile. Search results will appear as you type, and once you see the desired city, click to select it. After entering the new city, click on the blue Save button to confirm the changes. Your Facebook profile will now reflect your updated location. By following these steps, you can easily update your country on Facebook using your PC. Enjoy connecting with friends and sharing your experiences from your new location.